How to recover a TikTok account without phone number and email on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can easily recover your TikTok account if you don't have the access of your phone number and email address on your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so the very first way to recover your TikTok account is just need to swipe to the right and come to the app library here and go ahead and search for a password. You'll get to see the password application if you're using the iPhone with iOS 18. So you just need to get into this one, and once you're here inside the password section, you just need to tap on all, and he'll get to see all the account password that you have saved on your iPhone before. So from the list, you just need to find out the TikTok. So you'll get to see I have the TikTok here. So if I tap on this one, it's going to immediately show you the username and the password here. If you tap on the password, it's going to quickly show you the password, and you can take the username and the password and you can log into your TikTok account from here. But let's say you check out this one but you don't have the saved password here, then there's a still way that you can do. You just need to get back from here and come to the TikTok application, and then go ahead and open up the TikTok and come to the profile of your TikTok account and go to the login page. And once you're here inside the login page, tap on continue with Google and tap on continue here. And once you're here inside the login page, go ahead and tap on use phone number, email, or the username, the second option from here, and tap on this question mark at the top right. Now once you're here inside this one, and here you get the first option, recover your account, tap on this one, and he'll get to see the recent login account on your TikTok account. So he'll get to see I have the account here. So let's say this is my account, so I'm going to tap on this, and here it's going to show you the Google account right here. So just need to tap on the Google, tap on continue, and it might ask you to verify your account. So you just need to enter your Google account password and select your Google account from the list and tap on continue, and it might send a verification code, or sometime it doesn't, and it will be directly log into your TikTok account here. And he'll get to see I'm back with my TikTok account here. And this is how you actually can recover your TikTok account with a phone number and email address. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.